Alright friends, from this lesson onward, we will start learning about string methods in detail. So let's begin with the contains method. This method checks whether a string contains a certain substring. For example, my string is John. If I want to check if certain words or letters are in the sentence, I can use contains method. So the contains method will return true if the substring exists and return false if it doesn't. Okay, so inside the parenthesis I come here, I say name, and then after name I use contains method. So I want to check if C is in my string. So let's check it. I run my program, I run it. You see true returns and I print true on the screen. I continue. C, I write C and A. You see it's a substring and I save it. I run again. You see it turns true. But if I'm checking like this, I run it, you see it turns false because it could be the exactly same. So in my original string, after C, A comes, but I'm checking after C, empty space is coming or not. So it doesn't, so it returns false. Alright. We can store also this returned value in variable. For example, I can say boolean because it returns true and false or false. I say boolean result and then I just define it. After that, I say result equals to, I take this, I cut it, and I paste it. So, result is false, it returns false. So I can use an if-else block with the result. So if it's true, it returns true. So it will enter the if block. If it's false, it will enter the else block. So I open my if condition. Inside the parenthesis, I give result, and then I open my curly braces. If result is true, I can say system.out.println. I can say the word or the letter, whatever, the substring, that's better, substring exists. If it is not, I open my else block and then I use curly braces and then I copy this, I paste here. The substring doesn't exist. Alright, so let's run it. You see, substring doesn't exist. I remove the empty space, I save it, I run again. You see the substring exists appears on the screen. I hope you understand it. Super.